Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today in the daily options trade, we're looking at weekly options expiration, and I have one expiring in this account. I don't do a lot of weeklies, I do mostly the monthlies. But in this case, I have a Boeing 235 call, and the price is currently $250. So I need to roll this out in time and possibly go diagonal to increase my profit potential. So I'm going to go out to the next monthly. So that would be in July. Alright. And that's pretty good premium, $500. But I do want to increase, let's see if I can increase this strike price to $240. And I still preserve, so I give up $3 of premium and I get $500 in profit potential. So let's do that. And let's see if this goes through. Alright, didn't go. Let's try again. Let's readjust. Oh yeah, look at that. It's fluctuating all over. Just need to wait for it. Okay guys, I'm just going to let this roll. I might take this strike down a little bit. Let's go 202. So I'm just going to let this go until the end of the day and recheck it then. Because either way, I mean, I made money on Boeing overall. I've been selling, you've been tuning in, selling calls, puts. My cost is about $185 on this stock, so I could take the profit. Not a problem. Or I could roll it either way. It's a pretty big chunk of my portfolio here. It's about 20%, I think. So it's pretty big. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. Remember to subscribe and smash that like button. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, so that Boeing order did finally fill. Not that long ago, okay. It's not too bad. It's a pretty good price. I can deal with that. So let's go back to the positions and take a look at what we got. Alright. So today we've got Boeing expiration, 240 call. Current price of Boeing's 250. So I'm getting closer to where Boeing is sitting, so I'm feeling good about it. Month by month, I'm getting up to where I should be, and the profit's there. Looking good, a lot of upside for Boeing. So remember to subscribe to see how this turns out with Boeing in the daily options trade to figure out how to get out of bad situations with options. Alright guys, thanks for watching.